It was very dark. Thomas was happy he had a bright lamp. He saw the freight car rolling away. Then it disappeared around a bend. "Bust my buffers," puffed Thomas. The slope was very steep. Thomas whizzed down it and clattered around the bend. Up Thomas whooshed and down he whizzed. Whee! Thomas whistled and whoa! He cried. It was very scary, but it was very exciting. Thomas had almost caught up. He whistled happily, but Thomas didn't see the junction ahead. Whizzed down the right track and Thomas sped down the left.